Immigrant rights advocates called the tactics used by federal agents in Southern California, quote, blatant racial profiling. Today, 6 Supreme Court justices cleared the way for those tactics to continue as the threat of mass immigration enforcement here in Chicago looms.
Okay, back up, back up, back up.
It may well have been the start of the newly named Operation Midway Blitz. Cell phone video provided to ABC7 shows agents identified by ICE badges handcuffing a man who neighbors know as a flower vendor Sunday afternoon on Chicago's southwest side.
Back up, back up, back up, back up now.
It's a small-scale version of the mass roundups of migrants in Los Angeles, like one at a Home Depot store earlier this summer, the very kind of raids and arrests immigration advocates filed a class-action lawsuit trying to stop. In an emergency 31-page ruling published this afternoon, the Supreme Court's 6 conservative justices lifted restrictions against aggressive immigration enforcement tactics by federal agents.
Can ICE agents detain someone on the basis of some combination of their ethnicity or race, their speaking Spanish or English with an accent, their location at a particular kind of location, and they're working a particular kind of job? And the answer to that now is yes.
2 lower courts had paused the targeted arrest tactics executed by federal agents in Los Angeles. Speaking at the site of that mass Home Depot raid, a fuming LA mayor fired back.
I want the entire nation to hear me when I say this isn't just an attack on the people of Los Angeles. This is an attack on every person in this city and in every city in our country.
In Chicago this afternoon,
no vendors were outside. People are afraid. People are scared.
It's unclear if the Supreme Court ruling only applies to LA, but the director of the Immigrant Rights Clinic at University of Chicago Law School worries.
The opinion doesn't say that there are no limits on what ICE can do, but I do think that that is how ICE is going to read it.
Just as the threat of a mass incursion of immigration agents under order to make arrests in Chicago may come to fruition. The Supreme Court's 3 liberal justices dissented. 2 wrote a scathing criticism of this ruling. It's still unclear if this ruling applies to immigration enforcement here in Chicago, but legal experts expect similar lawsuits could come if we do see some of those sweeping immigration raids that we've been expecting for weeks now.